Welcome. The purpose of this video is to show you how to change the output configuration of a pre-initialized DSP light from ArmoníaPlus. Make sure you have connected your DSP light to your PC by either a USB or Ethernet cable, depending on the DSPL type you have purchased. Open ArmoníaPlus. From the Add menu, click on Powered Speakers and add a new virtual device, selecting it from brand PowerSoft, family Light Mod Series, model Light Mod 4HC and DSPL, application default, and then add and close. A virtual device has now been added to the workspace. From the Select menu, double-click on the virtual device that's been just added to the workspace in order to access its submenu. From the Preset submenu, click on Actions and select the desired output configuration you want to load into your physical device. For example, 1 input and 3 outputs. From the Match menu, click on Discovery in order to look for all online devices. Click on the small ArmoníaPlus icon located on the top upper right side of the window and switch on synchronization between ArmoníaPlus and all online devices. Select the device and drag and drop it on the workspace right on top of the virtual device. All LEDs on the physical DSP light will start blinking. Click on the Select menu. Now a desync condition between virtual and physical devices has been found by ArmoníaPlus. Click on Send and Apply to send the configuration defined on virtual device into the physical one. Wait for the stripe borders to disappear and double-click it to access its submenu. Check its internal diagram, then click on Presets and verify that the output configuration loaded on each memory slot are not correct. Let's see how to change them. From the workspace, right-click on the device, select PAM, and export the snapshot file already chosen on your favorite folder. From the ArmoníaPlus menu located on the upper left side, select Preset Manager, then select Light Mod Series tab on the upper side of the window. Click on the Import Push button related to each memory slot and load the snapshot just saved. Select your physical device and apply the selected presets. And close the Preset Manager. From the Select menu, double-click on the real device and verify that the process has been completed correctly. And check if its diagram and presets have been set according to your choice.